Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. Today in this video, we are going to pair this 32-inch assembled LED TV with universal remote for entering to the TV service mode, for adjusting backlight and for turning on the auto power on option. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.